This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Marlena Martino. Light and bright 4-bed 2-bath split floor plan family home located in the highly desirable neighborhood of the Lakes at Parkland. Open and airy, impeccably cared for, white kitchen with stainless appliances and pantry, tile and wood floors throughout, interior laundry utility room, full hurricane shutters and the Nest system. The screened-in patio make the home an entertainer's dream with indoor-outdoor Florida living. Designer pavers on driveway and walkway situated on a huge oversized corner lot. This is the perfect home for anyone seeking A-rated schools, easy access to shops, parks and restaurants, all major HWYS and just minutes to the beach, gated with large sparkling community pool, a must-see move-in ready gem and will not last. For more information, review the details below.